The AWT Stick Welder 155 amp Mini is a versatile machine offering both MMA stick and Lift TIG welding processes, making it suitable for various applications. Its compact and lightweight design, weighing only 4.3 pounds, ensures portability and ease of use for both home and on-the-go projects. Advanced features such as hot start, anti-stick, and arc force functions contribute to a smoother welding experience, making it ideal for both beginners and professionals. With an output current of up to 155 amperes, the welder can handle mild steel up to 13/64 of an inch thick, providing robust performance. Safety is a priority with built-in protections like VRD, overcurrent, overload, and thermal protection, ensuring secure operation under various conditions. Backing the product is a 2-year warranty, along with 24-hour customer service and a 30-day money-back guarantee, offering peace of mind to users.